There are 4 types of triggers like slide triggers, layer triggers, object triggers, and player triggers. We'll see all the triggers one by one. Slide triggers usually can be seen on the top of the triggers panel. In slide triggers, you have options based on the timeline. Whereas, layer triggers can be applied only to the layers. As the name indicates, object triggers can be applied to the objects about the action that should take place when user clicks or hovers a button. And the player triggers can be applied to the navigation buttons